All right, another day. I'm back working on the 883 Sportster. Got the carb installed, coils, all the choke bracket over here. Some of that stuff put on, air filter, all the throttle cables, choke, everything hooked back up. Some of the vacuum lines and fuel lines ran. For the most part, got pretty much the top side is ready to go. I've got the exhaust left. I need to do the electronic ignition. Got to do some research on that, make sure I'm going to do it correctly. And I'm trying to think what else. Like I said, exhaust, and then get the controls buttoned up on it. So getting really close, and we'll be ready to start the break-in procedure. So when I get to that, I'll go into more detail as far as what the manual or what Hammer Performance instructs. So didn't feel like I needed to make a video. The process putting the carb on, all that stuff is the same as taking it off. But I'll get back to it here shortly. I may do a video on putting this ignition in because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to have to cut and splice some wires or how that's all going to work. So I may video the rest of the process, getting the ignition, the forwards, the exhaust, all that stuff bolted up. But yeah, I'll be back. So a little more progress on the 883 1275 conversion. For the most part, I've got everything back on the bike. Things that I still need to do is put the additional clutch plate in the bike, and forward controls, rear master cylinder, and I think that's pretty much it as far as getting it all put back together. So we'll see how that all goes. But right now I'm kind of at a just a standstill. I kind of messed up, or I think I did. I'm really not sure. But the two studs that hold the ignition in place, I think whenever I threw them down, I think they might have been in the towel that got covered in oil and got tossed out. So got more orders. They ought to be here in the next few days. So once I get them, I'll get them put on here. But as of right now, that's what I'm waiting on, so I can get the static timing, get everything set, and then do the break-in process with the motor. So hopefully they'll show up this week. I can get that done. Maybe by the end of this week we'll have a running bike again. So really just wanted to throw an update out there. I know it's been a few days. The first two videos, part 1, part 2, were all one day. The first part of this video would be basically day 2, and maybe an hour or so working on this in an afternoon, just putting the carb and the exhaust and whatnot on the bike, and getting the ignition to this point. I'll kind of go over the ignition wiring once I make sure that everything's going to work. I don't want to throw something out there and somebody, copy what I did and it screw something up. So I'll go over that after, because I couldn't find a whole lot on this option. So I'll go over that, kind of throw a video and of that process too, once everything is working correctly. Again, it may not work, so I don't want to put it out there yet. But yeah, it's starting to come together, starting to look like a bike. So we'll see if I get the parts this week, and if I do, I'll try to get a kind of a final video. I may do some of the break-in stuff, because I think you got to start for like 10 seconds, shut it off, 30 seconds. There's a whole list, so I may go just do a video of that process as well and just end it there. So, but again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask, and I would love it if you'd subscribe. Thanks for watching.